trying to find the owners, but no one has claimed them yet. And now they're trying to figure out what to do next.
सड़क पर आवारा पशुओं की मौजूदगी इस तरह दर्ज की जा रही है कि बड़ा हादसा हो रहा है और लोग इसमें शिकार बनते नजर आ रहे हैं।
Amanda Davis, Satellite News Channel, Washington.
And she is someone that you guys can meet here at the Florida State. She's just awesome. Worth her weight in gold. Feels so loved. Oh, Zoe. Kisses.
Until now.
I don't think we're getting Chet back from Zoe.
That's great.
I'm shaking. If the camera's shaking.
This is Marty, who's a little bit excited.
You love it. You love it.
I'm gonna be mentally scarred.
So the question then becomes, I apologize. Me?
Ah, there's your nanny.
That's not my nanny, that's my wife. So the policy, South Korea's policy towards North Korea is severely limited because North Korea's behavior of the last...
Now your maid.
That's not my maid, that's my mother-in-law. Because North Korea, with the use of X-gas in the airport in Malaysia, that indicates that there's on the part...
There's your mum.
Hey, wait. Hey, who are you? Hey, bring that back! Hey, stop!
She's ready, though.
Stand by.
Now through December 23rd, you and the family can walk through the...
Okay, she did sneeze on you a little bit.
What's your name?
Melbourne Zoo, they may be lucky enough to experience it for themselves. The trial running.
And what will it mean for the wider region? I think one of your children's just walked in. I mean, shift this.
Surprised that they do.
Här plusgrader. Fantastisk skådespelare.
Temperatures near six. What in the? Okay, I was wondering. What should I do? Oh,
He's got you.
come back.
Kiss him.
This is good stuff.
Good for ridding your garden of bugs or flying onto friends.
How's that for an introduction?
Yes.
Right?
We'll be right
We'll be
back
talking
with
about
you
this
Day.
next or now. Jeez.
Technology kills viruses in just one. What did you do, Mom? Dad, holy crap.